Hey guys, I'm Caden, and today I'm going fishing with my dad.
And kayaking and camping. Ha! Apparently it's a race I don't know about.
Here comes Papa Bear. Say hi to the camera, Chris.
Hi to the camera, Chris. Ah! Yep.
Hi to the camera, Stacy.
I didn't say to say hi.
Good fish.
It's a keeper.
Yep. That's a keeper.
Biggest catch of the day right there.
Mine was. It's so heavy.
What you doing down there, Caden?
Huh?
What are you doing down there?
Eating my line.
Did you get it? Did you get it?
Yeah, it's because I keep getting my rod hooked instead of something else. I'm not catching fish, I'm catching humans, plants, and my fishing pole, but not fish.
We're getting crabs.
To your butt.
In ancient times, man had to use two sticks or flint and steel or some method to make fire. I'm not an ancient man. I don't have time for that crap. So I use fire-based. Tired. Tired. I'm tired.
I'm not
You're a turd.
I'm not a turd.
You are too a turd.
Quit it, Bart Simpson. Spider. There's not a spider in here, but you can see him outside.
He just wants kisses. Flipping steaks with a spork. That's how it's done. So you're not at home and you still have to do dishes. How does that make you feel?
Okay with it. I'm outside. Got the sun shining in my eyes and the river flowing.
Caden, tell me your ghost story.
Huh?
Tell me your ghost story. What? I'm rocking some awesome hair this morning. It's a little after 7 in the morning. Been up for about 45 minutes now. Woke up to the sound of a woodpecker in the tree above me just going pounding away. How are you doing this fine cold day?
Terrible.
Why is that?
Because my back and my shoulders hurt from sleeping in a sleeping bag and on the ground and on my pad.
In ancient times, man had to hunt for his food. I don't have time for that. I got Pop-Tarts.
As he opens the Pop-Tarts, and takes a huge chomp out of the pot.
Delicious.
That, not the only one that got right across the tree. It's a keeper.
Oh, you're fishing.
Whoa! Got on and got off. Heavy boy. Heavy boy. You gotta fish. Whoa, there's a big one! Oh, I see him. He's there. Whoa, there's a big It's a keeper.
Caught one.
It's our first fish.
Good size. Good size.
Damn stupid blow up pillow.
I was thinking damn woodpecker for waking me up.
Had fun, but I'm bringing a pillow next time.
This was the woodpecker this morning. Well, Caden, we did some camping, we did some kayaking, did some fishing. Did you have a good time?
Yep.
Now comes the bad time. You know what that is?
Packing up.
Packing up.